What's the biggest thing that takes a rookie filmmaker to a pro filmmaker? Sound design. I'm going to walk you through sound design quickfire using this example from the recent Birmingham Cinematic video that I shot. Now the first thing to state about sound design is it's a lot like an onion. Why?
Layers! Onions have layers.
Exactly. Sound design has 5 layers: ambience, foley, sound effects, music, and voiceover or dialogue. So firstly, ambience. Ambience are the things that make you feel like you're in the environment. So for this example, we're going to have wind, the talking of people in the background, and some running water. Foley is sound that synchronizes to an action in the clip. So for this particular one, we're going to have a footstep. Sound effects are those extra bits of magic, those whooshes, those bass drops, those risers that build tension, drop tension. So for this, we're going to have a riser and then a hit at the end of it. A dialogue or voiceover, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's voice that's going to supplement the video. In this particular example, we're going to take a quote from the great and powerful Bruce Lee.
Be water, my friend.
And finally, music. Music's going to set the pacing and the tone for the rest of the video. When you put all of those layers together, that's when it really comes alive. So here's the final video.
Be water, my friend.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment on there. All these things do make a big difference, so I'll be really grateful if you do that. But for now, that's the next installment of the In 60 Seconds. I hope you enjoyed it, and ciao.
Be water, my friend.